Some days my head is full of worry. Feels like I need to make a change. There's a whole world just around the corner where maybe I could find my place. 'Cause when I think about tomorrow, it won't be the same. And when I finally got that feeling, this is where I belong. Lost in the life I'm used to knowing, stuck in the ways I used to know. But I'm sure whichever way I'm going, this is the way I need to go. 'Cause every piece of me is saying it won't feel the same. And when I finally got that feeling, this is where I belong. 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 No more waiting and wonder if there is more to life than this. And no more fear of the unknowing, just need to find out what it is. And I know it won't be easy, but I'm ready now. And I finally got that feeling, this is where I belong. 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 Don't be scared to get through it. No looking back or staying in the past. Chasing every dream and embrace it, and your light will shine. This is where I belong. 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 This is where I belong.
Is there still love in this home? Or are we just playing house? Is the heat still alive in this moment? Or is the flame burning out? Can't stand waiting, the pain's getting stronger. Is time gonna pull us apart? Still love, still love. Is this still what we wanted? Is still love, still love. I know I still love you, but it's just love still enough.
What do you think when you think about me? Am I still on your mind? What do you see when you're looking at me? Is love getting harder to find?
Is this still what we wanted? Is still love, still love? I know I still love you, but it's just love still love. I know I still love you.